Outer shell. Who am I? Sea turtle. Here you go. No, Max. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Sure. Two large eyes and 8 arms so long on the ocean floor. Is what where I belong. Who am I?